Hi everyone, I'm back. This time, I'm going to create some graphic icons for the UI. Okay, just import the sketch by pressing Ctrl and I. Scale down the sketch so it's easier to apply to the icon. And I use a stroke width of 2 pixels. Okay, let's start creating the icon using the Bezier tools. Let's duplicate the bar and adjust its height. Oh, by the way, use the Ctrl and D keys to duplicate. Adjust its position so that it is centered. Now let's make the arrow. Okay, let's adjust all the lines again. Now, let's move the arrow up a few pixels to make it look more balanced. Well, it looks like we need to raise the height of the bar so it doesn't look too empty. Well, it looks better this way. And here are the results, guys. Oh, and you can download these guidelines from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.